In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your own samples in BandLab. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your own audio files into a BandLab project so you can start building tracks with sounds you love. First, open your web browser and head to bandlab.com. Make sure you're using a modern browser for the smoothest experience. If you're not already signed in, look for the sign in option and choose the Google option. This lets you quickly log in without creating a new password. When the Google window appears, select your Google account and confirm by clicking Continue. If your browser asks for permissions or to confirm your identity, go ahead and allow that so BandLab can connect to your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the BandLab feed. At the top, find the Create button and click it. From the menu that appears, choose New Project. This opens the BandLab Studio, which is where you'll arrange tracks, record, and import your samples. If this is your first time, give the page a moment to load all the tools. Inside the studio, start by adding a track. Click Add Track, then select Voice/Audio. Even though it's called voice/audio, this track type is perfect for any kind of audio sample: drums, loops, vocals, or sound effects. After it's created, you'll see a track header with controls like mute, solo, and more. On that same track header, click the three dots to open the additional options menu. From there, choose Import from Disk. A file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where your sample lives, select the audio file you want, and confirm the upload. BandLab supports common formats like WAV and MP3, and it will place the clip directly on your timeline at the playhead position. If you don't see your file, double-check the file type filter in the picker or ensure the file isn't locked by another application. Once your sample appears, you can click and drag it along the timeline, trim the edges to tighten timing, or loop it to extend a groove. If the sample tempo doesn't match your project, consider adjusting the project tempo first so the clip aligns nicely. You can also rename the track to keep things organized, and use the gain control on the track to set a healthy level that doesn't clip. That's it, you've successfully imported your own sample into BandLab. Save your project so you won't lose your progress, and you're ready to build out the rest of your song.